Why would you go with this elevator? I expecting they go with passenger elevators. Why would you go with this? Come on. This is why I do not like to put this. Because I am expecting this store to have a passenger elevator. Here it is. Jeez. Really? You gotta limit use elevator. What the heck? Really? You don't really want to ride it? Me to ride it? Okay, we're on 2. 1. Why would you go for this? Why didn't you put the I do not like to put this elevator. Cavill. It's a basic elevator. Oh boy, why would you put this? It's a slow elevator. It's the Sportchek Maple Leaf Square. It's the worst elevator I have been into. This is very, very slow compared to Square 1. Compared to Square 1, Shirley, York, whatever I said. You don't put that limited use elevator in this place. It shouldn't be at all. Here we're on 1. There. Here we are on 1. That's it.